How to remove Face ID lock from apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. The Face ID and passcode settings let you manage your facial recognition data. You can enable or disable Face ID for unlocking the iPhone, making purchases, and autofilling passwords. Inside the Face ID and passcode menu, tap on Other apps as shown. This will show you a list of all third-party apps that have requested to use Face ID for authentication. From this list, locate the app for which you want to disable Face ID. Simply tap the toggle switch next to the app's name to turn it off and the Face ID will be disabled for that app. Following these steps, you can easily remove Face ID lock from apps on an iPhone.